Hey everyone, welcome back to Allergic to Asphalt. Today we're going to be working on my buddy's Sportsman 700. He doesn't know it, but I'm going to try to get it fixed up for him. Right now it's leaking gas. I believe the CARB is probably gummed up and the needle valve is probably stuck. It just pours gas out the bottom. Also, we got a little parasitic drag on the battery. It might be from the winch. I think we're going to check out the wiring and see what's going on with it. So let's get started. Okay, let's start getting this seat off here. Simple enough. And we're gonna remove this battery. Looks like a couple 10 mils. Always take your negative off first. I don't know if they've told you that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just take the battery out to charge it. A little bit simpler. What is that? That's weird. Alright, just like that. Pull the battery out. I think she's wedged in there pretty good. Come on, grip strength. Whew, there is no good way to grab it. Let's see. Yeah! Ooh, it's a big battery. That's a big quad battery. I've never seen one like that. So yeah, if you come over here, you got 0.3 volts. Dead. Got the old trusty Sears, old school. It's the only type of battery charger I like. I don't buy no new battery chargers. She's dead. I guess it's taking a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, next I suppose we'll take these side covers off. Okay. Nice and easy. They really improved that side cover design on the 05 and up. I know mine's a lot easier. Alright, there's our carburetor in there. We'll get this air box out, I suppose. Clips. Ooh, it just stinks of gas in here. Smell it, it just reeks of gas. Ooh. The winch is unhooked, if that is the winch. Interesting. It's gotta be the winch wires. There we go. That's better. Okay, where's our hose clamp on there? Okay, nice and easy. Oh, we got another breather tube on there. There we go. Simple as that. Okay. Now, this is so different from mine. I got a 07. This one's way different. Go ahead and take this breather off. Maybe. Yeah, let's get this out of the way. It's your CVT breather. Give us some room. Take the Filipinos out. Like that trick? Haha. I know you like that. Look at that, it pops right off. We'll put these where you don't lose them. There's the gas leaking. Okay, yeah. Now if you can see it running down there, yep. Drip. There's where my gas is leaking. Right where I thought it would be. Okay. Alright, so continuing on with removing the carburetor. We're draining the tank because the fuel that's in it is just about as yellow as diesel fuel. It smells terrible. So we got that draining. Let's see what we got to do to remove this carburetor. Looks like we just got another hose clamp in there. And we'll be able to get it out. I think we're just going to take the bowl off and see what we got going on there before we try to take everything off. Because our problem is just the float needle valve. So, all right, let's see what we got. Not not too bad. A little bit of crap in there, but it's not a lot. Now, it doesn't look worn out. Usually there'd be like a ring around it. We'll check if the floats still float. Look how nasty that fuel is though. It's gross. Quick little clip on how I test the needle valves to see if they're working. Get you a piece of hose on there so you could blow on it, blow some air in it. Okay, so I am 99% confident that we are gonna have to order parts for this carburetor. All O-rings are smashed and crumbly, and it's just not looking good. So I'm gonna get a carb kit ordered. It looks like that's gonna take a week or so to get here. But in the meantime, the starter was getting all grindy and weird. So I wanna pull this inspection cover off and see what the gears look like. As you can see, I got the footwell off, pretty simple. This plastic cover comes off. You don't have to take all of them off. You can see it's like these couple, and like it skips that one and skips that one. It's got another one. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that off, just see what it looks like. Well, that's dumb. What a stupid design. Why would you have it like that? Okay, let's see. See what she looks like. Come on down. There's a little bit of crunch in there. It's not too bad. That looks good. I was worried that was gummed up somehow. And honestly, it feels like it is. Okay, upon further investigation, we've got a broken tooth on our starter Bendex. I don't know if you can see. You see it right there? Oh yeah. You see that. Whole tooth gone. Which that's not too good. Okay, well that's probably gonna be it for today. We'll probably put her together and then order some parts. See what he wants to do. Well, unfortunately, not too much excitement for today, but we were successful in diagnosing what was wrong with the four-wheeler. Hopefully parts will come in soon. We'll be able to get it back together and running. In the meantime, stay tuned. Hopefully we get some snow, get the track sled out, play with that some more. I know I'd get more out of her. I'm betting we could get 30 miles an hour, hopefully. We'll see. But that's it for today.